car is on another jersey. And right behind him, giving him all the support, giving him all the morale. As I try to is a family head of Asante Michael, followed by another elder, Obani Bukusambwa, Asante Michael's grandmother, Oba Ahima Ojasansu follows. Oba Ahima Now, as custom demands, the Queen Mother is the kingmaker. So together with the elders, they are going to officially install Anadesi as the new king of Asante Michael in Finland. So as you saw, he was put on the seat 3 times, and on the 3rd time, he just sat on it. So this signifies the financial relationship. So please, you may resume your seat. Now, all the chiefs, all the sub-chiefs will take turn to also swear oath of allegiance to the newly installed king. Show allegiance that they will also at all times serve him, offer him good advice, do everything possible to ensure that his reign succeeds. Please, let's have some silence as they take their turn to swear the oath.
Nana Jesse Ekova Sipimu una hono ebubu Finland emen the credit ena nana rehwe se nana ya fonso a opa mo cho on ka video o friend nana adire course o enyere anye efe na zuoti no asopo na himano osusu kuna mone na hima bebu omai Finland pa amamere no ane aye no pa samo se ye ya tre daache se yenyira ko Finland pa ye mani na no e bo wo se ye nyina se asante ye obi kire pa ti eda mo ase pa ye nyina ye son e de koso ye wura se tutu to so pa ye wura se tutu ama ye kwa nse ye nya mamre no wo pa amama nyina so ona ama ye kwa oji etum ye dika no no puku wa no o se nbe bi kro pa ona ma ye kwa se ye si ahemfo ewo amama nyina so ba ene ye ba ene die mo die no nye ne die na yesu go ba ene na to me na Jesse a wo so mo si ne hene ba bisramo ala mo frɛ no credit emfa so nana ba na so frɛ no credit enso mo se nana ye boni a ba se bisika ye no on kan boko ba na visa no offers minanai na so mere yo zaasi na mdise oso amone number so no yo waso mere asante man yo se mode na kwa ba ndi na ese ba ode na kwa ba asante man ndi na ese yo yidi kanu se fika no ekoko a okuru ba eye Ghana for koko no yo inu mu na anya baako ba de krom ho no ye kwa ibum ohinu we ko ohunu we ko ohunu we ko chop bi awo na ewo truto ye kwa ye ko mana ye fe aso na mu se krom ano trap so no ebi no ye cheba ba mo de ne ko so bi se o mi eti wo hene mo kwa na ye fe ba ni mu ma de ba kwa me ko twa se enyam so die ba ni se eyi le fi yeah in the mosque yeah
piece of advice to all the elders and the queen mothers to be strongly behind Nana Jesse as he has been installed the king of Asante Michael. Sub chiefs and sub queen mothers will take turn to also swear allegiance to the first person to do so is Nana Mensah Abraham. Nana Mensah Abraham. The second in command to the king, Nana Jesse. Shall we listen to him?
Your friend, Akosi Mensah Abraham. Me free offense so me asunani mene asantemanku konti hene nana jamana kantan a otetere offense man enana me edum hene ba sampele enana me ana akosi adman pomponso enana me Opani Kofi Insa Pima offensive forte the force man the offensive hine fast in me. Papa Asabi Boachi fast in me. Nana we are fair kentaya otoso and nine emianime. Nana the cry frame Musai Ekase Evnaya wabo me konti hini Wada Roma. So from me anopo. So from me rio. So from me numre ana anadoa. Meba. Misoyi yare. Me sha obo se. Me mfa ensuo enyina manum enkasa nkire woda. Na me nane makiso ekwan biara so ema woda. Sara ena me ka bio ase se. Me Mensah Abraham me de me see ena besom asantemanku na se nana wada Roma so frɛ me na me dan mani hwɛ ana se mama me to asantemanku entam
Nana Mensah Abraham na Eddie Nenseno or Pakochia Nana.
The next person to also swear is the Jasehiri. The Jasehiri is the chief of staff in the King's Palace. The chief of staff.
Oyukoba Osai Kwame Amoa Nebe Osai Kwa Otimitu Twanu Mama Nishi Wabra Ijadu Nana Mumfri Achima Siakwa Asiakwa Hima Nana Yafusua Watima this year enemy Barakasi Hima Enya Bema Neme Na de wopi mu no ebie na wasa so Offenso enkoso hene a onya ne ba bi kuro Nana de nim boaten ene nia a woteso Nana abisa boaten enua nene Osai sikan fun anya manim ku ne wobie machiri su wobi ajano agianafo eye offense nifa hina onya ba bi kuro Nana tabiri adade ene dia woteso Nana bakudi otoso mienu ene nifa hema Nana ntiwa eba neme Nana senedai Why you say Asantemanku ya Finland Jase henia Sompa Ejanom Enemy nuanom mpanyinfo Ede som offense man ɛma no kɔ wie deɛ ɔte bɔkɔɔ soɔ no saa sompa na ɔde bɛsom wɔ memfa nsuo nyina m'anum ɛnkasa nkyerɛ wo sɛ nana wofrɛ me anɔpa awia anwummere o mɛba nsɔre ne yi adeɛ nana sɛ wofrɛ no da mɛkyima wo a meto asantema kuo ɛnta
The chief of staff has just led his allegiance, always respond to the call of emergency unless he is sick. Now the next person to also pledge allegiance is Nana Ampia. Nifahini is the right wing commander of the King's Army.
Ampia amwani abrade abusia okusimentin na mifre menana ne afuasom oba apaniga wonya mba biko oba ne mbema edi akodi kuni menana ne Nimpahini wo aguna kwamai na odum a wonya no baby ko na wo fa asenami na opa ku ya bo a odishi ohini kokroko awo aguna kwamai ni dishi enemy nana Jesse Sempremo and then there is a walk ni pahine ya mamia bidinu kuredie bedu wachi me pa wachi da biara da bidinyamiso beta wachi mi sabi yare so fema na dio so fema rio so fema na po mama meto asantebanta
The next person is the Bekumhine.
Nifahine Echia Nana Jesse Jima.
Is the Bekumhine. The Bekumhine is the left wing commander of the King's Army.
Edi a meje so ene ba gugu ahe. Me ye breti oba. Meje so eye etwie na. Me na na o se bo nsu a otoso mienu. Pontonti ebo oye kumara na me. Me na na ro de na yo ene akokoduro ene pon je asanteman esi ho. Emre na ma aka de ofatuo afa pro body atudio esi wontre so eta kwesi kokko egugura agi asanteman edisi ho na la dasi ekoba simprimu asanteman kyo ni efela na na se da akoba da ho na wona na wato sa afreme se me na me masoa bi jadom ene penifo he ma shebo se me na na yo ya wo de bo asanteman and one of the best small men nane business you and find out what you na when I the show was there and me I want to be hini so friend am po so friend am yo so friend am jo bi ya there the time teach na wa the top asantuma kuo ɛbɛra.
Now, as the community goes to greet Nana Jesse and the elders, the next person to also play his allegiance is the Nkoswani. Nkoswani is the development chief. So he's supposed to help bring development projects and ensure the progress and forward movement of the community.
Your friend, upon Trematin, Brechu Nananeme. Me Brechu ni, me Nanane Yas and Toa when any baby call. Me Nanane Pomfanocha when any baby call. Sene Nana Afremi, Semi Mayor Cosworthia, and Pelifota said, Payo way, we back one ebu, Ukabuma emu. Nana, Nijitum, na Miswasa, Anopo, Elio, Elumro, Miswami ni Yagre. Semi two friend na mi dame chichewa, Matua Santuma Gumbra.
Now is the turn of the sub queens, and as tradition requires,
Nana Jasinia, Crowder, simple.
As I was saying, unlike the men, the women do not pledge allegiance with the sword. And so the women will not be holding the sword to pledge allegiance. And the next person to do that is Nana Abina Nkuma, the Oba Penny of Asante Michael. She is the deputy to the Queen Mother.
Mene de Abra Nkuma. Miye diarade. Mifikumawu trebu abodiana na nebe. Adwen yakona na nebe. Na mahema se na mi gina ha. Na se we yi se Oba Penny ya biye kontinue ma. Bisom. Na mishari yare so fra mana po ebio eyumro se mama beto Asante Michael Emra.
Asante Mayenia. Yeah, no, Asante ni kwato to so to to me. Problem, just simple. Onana wona aswede o, ya sasati. Sie. You are.
Also played is the woman right wing commander.
Yeah, just Hema and
Hema.
Medende ya fusia ye ekwanani ahani a eda ya wam enipa ye nim ye tikwa ye fe esi obi anim ene sanana akai mi bisa ne meka empenfo na ye ku Asante Michael ekuwa no ni fahiwa amamia ene mitna na no anim Faisa Nana, Freme Biao, Anako, Amachio, Meba, Mishai Yami.
Thank you. That was Anaya Fusia Epiamoma. He said something that he belongs to a group, a clan, and the clan he belongs to, even the back of their head, is even nicer than some people's face. So they are very, very beautiful. The next person is Nana Safwa Teko.
We drink the Safwa. We feel Frank. We are surrounded. And then the answer and Kosohima. We can't announce them as they say. Of friend and a bow, and you know, Beba, we shall be here. So, friend, Mamma, we turn around.
That was the development queen mother. Development queen. Now the next person is Nana Akosua-Addo Sumpahima. She is the queen of good stewardship. Asantemani, we honor service to the community.
Within the Akosua-Addo, yes, I'm from an enemy. I don't want to phone an enemy. No, do I hear? Nana is a problem, enemy. Nana, anyway, I was seeing me to buy him my so friend and power. Every year, and I do. Next time, Mama, Miss Shani, Yari. Next time, Mama, we toss and my book, Emra.
To the call of the king at all times, even under minus 40 degrees. He will respond. Slow or no slow, unless she is sick. Now the next person is Nana Ya Ahifie. Benguhima is the left wing commander of the Case Army.
Within the Ahifie, Atuma and Karia perform the free. We are slowly. Atuma perform a man and let fear and the bannerman. Podia Nana Abbey or Tosu, I want to fear me, actually, and the bannerman. And I'm said, oh, we have a corner, saw your mamma. And I'm a one time said, I'm a pope, and you, and I'm a do your friend be a member. Nana said, oh, from this mamma, me, dear, so from this mamma, it was antimatter.
Nsempiremo. Why sika ọba aba betina dwam. Mesre say ye nyina ye be man yo muso ama na na Jesse Nsempiremo. Abra one ne panyimfo na hemfo na hemafo omo ba betina si.
Asigo. Ọba Hema. Abusafoɔ titi obi ka asante so obi kyerɛ